How to make a new TikTok account if you already have one. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a new TikTok account if you already have one. Start by going to the TikTok website on your PC. Once there, click on the login in the top right corner. Next, click on Sign Up. You can choose to sign up using your phone number or email, or continue with your Facebook or Google account. After that, select your date of birth. Then, enter your phone number or email address. TikTok will send you a 6-digit code to verify your account. Once you enter the code, you'll be able to set up your new TikTok account while still keeping your existing one. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.